Fight back against stubborn dirt and grime with the SPX4500 13-amp electric pressure washer, the eco-friendly electric grime fighter from the best-selling pressure washer series by Sunjoe. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with a high-performance 13-amp induction motor designed to last longer, run quieter, and work cooler than traditional universal motors. Blast up to 2,500 psi of pressure and up to 1.48 gallons per minute to quickly rinse away dirt and debris. Remove grease from concrete, heavy mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, peeling paint, and other stubborn gunk and grime. Select from 5 onboard quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Swap in the soap nozzle and dial in just the right amount of soap from the 1-gallon onboard detergent tank. Equipped with popular pro-grade features like the 20-foot steel reinforced high-pressure hose, an onboard hose holder for neater storage, a heavy-duty metal roll cage, and a 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, SPX4500 is built for power and performance. And every Sunjoe pressure washer comes backed by our complete 2-year warranty for the worry-free care and convenience you've come to expect from America's top-selling eco-friendly brand of pressure washers. So go with Joe, and your dirty jobs just got done. SPX4500 13-amp electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.